Oh my god. I'm gonna put this on MySpace or YouTube. It's gonna be hilarious. This is Duke's first trip to Sonic, son. He got the X-foot-long chili cheese dog. After watching Soul Found Sextet across the street, way over there at Shenanigans. I mean Bennigan's. Wicked shot. Waiting for Troy to come pick us up.
It's this long. I don't eat this much.
Among other things.
It's funny you say that.